Are you struggling to keep your finances organized? Do you ever wonder where your money goes every month? This Personal Budget Tracker Excel template is the solution you've been looking for. It makes managing your finances simple and straightforward. Let me show you how it works. Once you've downloaded the tracker and opened it, you'll see a blank dashboard. This will automatically update as you start entering your data. First, head over to the Settings tab. Here, you can enter your name, opening balance, and customize categories according to your needs. You can also set your budget goals here. For this demo, I'm using sample data for my online business. Since I don't need savings and debt payments, I'll leave those sections blank. Next, go to the Data tab to enter your income and expenses. You can input data daily, but for this demo, I'll paste in some sample data. Once that's done, go back to the dashboard and click Refresh All. Now, you can easily read and analyze your data. At the top, you'll see today's date and a month filter to view data month by month. This section shows your income versus expenses for the year, helping you track your financial flow. The income ratio is displayed right here. Below, you can track your monthly expenses, savings, and debt payments. Plus, you can filter by category to see exactly where your money is going. Lastly, you can compare your budget goals with actual spending. This tracker is simple, easy to use, and personalized just for you. You can purchase it for the price of a cup of coffee. The link is in the description. Check it out now and support us in creating premium templates for you.